In this video I'm going to show you how to download new fonts to Photoshop. And about this trick, you're not really adding them to Photoshop, you're just downloading new fonts to your computer and they will just show up in whatever software you use that allows new fonts. So the website I'm on right now is called dafont.com, dafont.com, and I will leave a link in the description below, and it's all free fonts, I believe. It's either all free or the majority are free. You can see here there's 63,368 different fonts, so plenty to choose from. I'm just going to I'm on the home page, the recently added fonts, and I'm just going to download the first one in front of me, Spiritual Mountain. So all you have to do is just click download. Then I'm just going to save it. I have a folder, Photoshop brushes, and like I said, I have it saved in a folder called Photoshop brushes. But this will just save to your computer and you'll be allowed to use it in any software that allows new brushes. So click save. I'm going to double click that, and then I'm going to double click on this and it will just say install. That'll only take a second to install after you've clicked the button. I'm just going to X out of that, X out of that. I'm going to go back over to Photoshop, and now in Photoshop I am just going to just click any sort of letter and I'm going to look for Spiritual Mountain. It should just automatically be here. We'll go down to S. There we go, Spiritual Mountain. It is just automatically there. I didn't even have to reload Photoshop to do that. It was there automatically. So it's as easy as that to get free fonts, and they just add to your software automatically.